Hello mga ka-gorgeous! Welcome back to the vlog! How's everyone doing today? So for today's video mga ka-gorgeous, we're going to visit the place called Historia. It's one of the new Filipino restaurant in Las Vegas. I'm not sure exactly where it's at, but I'm gonna get picked up by my sister and my niece. The reason why we're going over there is because it's a gift from my niece Gail for Mother's Day, and she's gonna take us over there, and according to them it's supposed to be a new restaurant, so we're gonna try it out. So okay, and I'll see you guys there. Stay tuned. Ayan, sinundo na ako dito ng mga ate ko. Eto, naka-Mercedes-Benz kami ngayon. My niece, the one is going to drive. Diba? Nice black Mercedes-Benz. Dito na lang ako.
Hi, this is Historia. Thank you so much for calling. We're currently away from the phone. So please leave your name,
Historia.
number, and message, and someone from our team will follow up shortly. Maraming salamat.
Ayan, dito na kami. So, siya ngayon ang magda-drive. Say hi, please.
Hi.
Hang on. Oh, dali, say ka na.
Hi.
Hi daw.
Our beautiful driver.
Change plan because the Historia that we were gonna go to, that new restaurant, they only open dinner time. So maybe like 5 o'clock or something they open it.
Nasaan ka na?
So but right now, since I like the Imperial,
Kaliwa ka ng Spring
yeah,
Mountain.
since I like the Imperial restaurant over here close
Bago
by,
mag-racket.
so this is where we're gonna go. We're meeting my other sister over here. Dito sa may Imperial. So, okay, ayan. This is my second time to go to Imperial Sushi Seafood Buffet. There's my niece and my sister. Right there. O, diba? Ang ganda ng driver namin. So, dito ulit tayo, mga ka-gorgeous. Happy New Year uli. Ayan. Meron pa rin silang Happy Mother's Day dito. Ayan. So, we're still waiting for my sister to come. She's on her way now. Kasama niya si Little Layla. O, diba? Dito kami naghihintay muna kami dito. Tapos, maya-maya ando doon na kami sa loob. There's Layla. Hi, Layla. Hi, Layla. Ayan.
Or maybe you should say here you're vlogging.
Yeah, diba?
So you can see the center.
Ano? Ayan. Ayan sila. Do you have a raspberry?
Raspberry tea?
Yes, please.
I'll just have water.
Water?
Mom, what do you want? Sweet tea.
What do you want? Just woke up, ha?
Raspberry tea?
Anong i-drink?
Water. Water and raspberry. Do you want to take a nap?
Kuha tayo ng plato. And I'm gonna start, I think I'm gonna start over here. Because this is the rice that I really like, right there. Maiba silang lasa. Hindi yung normal na rice. I'm gonna have some of these. Okay. Ayan siya. Ano kaya? Bahala na bukas kung ano yung kakainin. Tapos, ay, mukhang masarap yun. Ano nga lang. I want some gulay. Oh, I wonder what that one is. We're gonna have some of these. Ito yung masarap na ano, di ba, tibe? Kakain ito. Dalawa lang. Dalawa lang. Ay, merong ano, Adidas. Ay, yung darang may paksiw na ano. Masarap yan, oh. Diba? Ay, kaya lang mabalat. Okay, may siopaw pa. Okay. Oh, this is the... We're gonna have some gulay. Mukhang maano siya. I want some fish. Fish? Kahit konti. Some fish. And this is gulay. It looks like it's gonna be hot. Oh well, we can try. Let's go over there. Layla's favorite.
Lila?
Layla, yeah. We're gonna get some of these. And then let's go get some crabs. This one looks good, but you have to use your hand. And this one too, you have to use your hand, and I don't want to use my hand. They don't even have gloves, right? Do they have gloves?
Gloves?
Gloves to use the hand, because I can't. I don't want to use my hand. That one looks good. But you gotta have something. This one, ano yun? Suso? May suso sila dun. Suso. Tapos merong ganun, no?
Ano?
Ang tawag dun?
Aso?
Ano sa Tagalog?
Tahong.
Tahong. Mga sushi na dyan. Lahat sila dyan sushi na. Eh, you know how it is. Hindi ako makanyan. Ito, Tisen. Nagano ako ng isa to.
Oh, pwede.
Ayan. Kuha tayo ng pang ano. Pinch. Okay. Ayan, may pang pinch. So anyway, let's just go back. Kain muna tayo. Tapos kung anong mabalikan ulit. Ete, balik-balik. O yan. Ang pinch.
Wow, Lila,
Ang sarap. I like the rice here.
what? Yeah.
Aha.
I like the pink beans.
Ayan. Ganyan. Ayan siya. Uy, ay, ang daming pansit ni Layla.
Sarap yan ah.
Oo nga. Diba? You want some, oh yeah, you want some fruits. Let's get some fruit.
No.
That's the one that Gail did. Yeah.
Ito masarap.
Dry.
Butas na lang.
Ito.
Oh, papaya. You like some papaya?
I want that one. Papaya.
Okay, eat honey too.
What's that over here? What's this? Oh, sago pudding, tibe. Sago pudding. Try natin. Try natin ang sago pudding. Ay, meron siyang mga tapioca. O, diba? Ayan.
I like that.
Yeah.
And this one is what?
Ay, we don't wanna...
Ano yan
May,
may nyog?
hindi, ano siya, sago pudding. Isa lang eh. And one beef. Ayan, nagbabayad na sila. O, diba? Nakakabusog. Hi, guys! Ay, busog na busog ako. Tapos gusto pa ng pamangkin ko na yon na mahalo-halo somewhere. Eh, busog na ako. Ano? Paano? Wala. Alanda. So anyway, mga ka-gorgeous, I just got home from having lunch with my fam. And the reason why we didn't go to Storia Filipino restaurant is because we found out before we left that restaurant doesn't even open until 5. It's only for dinner. So we decided to just go to Imperial and everything. But that's okay because I like the rice over there, as you can see. And yeah, I like it there. Plus it's closer to my house, you know, closer to everybody's house of my family. So yun na nga mga ka-gorgeous. So next time, we know what to do. We're just gonna go over there at 5 p.m. for dinner. Okay? So anyway, that's all mga ka-gorgeous. And you know the drill. Like and subscribe. And please, notification bell. Don't forget and leave a comment below. Thank you guys. And make a love shout out sa aking mga members. Bye!